Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe, share and like. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing us how to design a courier and shipping websites. All right, so this is the sample of the websites. You can see, so sleek, beautiful and amazing. You can see. Okay, and if you scroll down here, you notice that it has a lot of amazing features. See the address, contact, timing and all. Okay, here's the home page, the about page. It has a lot of pages, right? Even the track and trace, where you can come to track and trace your goods and services. Okay, so if I've created the tracking number, I'll just have to put it here and click on track order. Alright, then you want to print your receipt, you print the receipt over here, and you can also see it has its own live map. Alright, it has its own live map. So quick one, let me show you guys how to build a full functional courier shipping website just like this. Okay, so first of all, we want to go to our cPanel. Like I always say, your cPanel, you get access to your cPanel after purchasing your host and domain from your host service provider. All right, so the next step we want to go now is to go into our file manager. All right, that's where we are going to upload our files. So I created a subfolder for this. Okay, so if it's a new website, you just have to click on public underscore HTML. You click it, then you click on upload. All right, you just upload it directly into your public underscore. Now I'm uploading it in a subfolder. All right, so this is my subfolder. I've entered my subfolder, then I'll just click on upload. And I'll click on select file. Then this is the file over here. You click on open, then it's going to upload. So while that's uploading, you just have to take a chill pill and relax. Okay, you just have to relax and wait for it to upload until it shows green, right? Then you know you are done. All right, it has showed green and it has said completed. Okay, 100%. So you just click this place, go back, you click there, then this is the file we just uploaded, right? So we want to unzip this file. As you can see now, it's on zip, it's in a zip format, so we need to unzip this file to extract the files in it, right? So I'll just right click, then I'll scroll down, click on extract, then I'll click on extract files, then click on close. Okay, then I'll reload this. As you can see, this is the folder, so you double click on the folder. Right, these are the courier website files. Right, now you click on select all, right click and move. Why am I moving it? I'm moving it from this parcel folder it is, because I don't want it on that parcel folder, right? I want it to be on the folder which I created for the purpose of this training, right? So if you don't have any website before in your file manager, you just have to upload it directly into public underscore HTML, right? So I'll just leave it like this, right? So if I had not having a website before, I'll just remove this and upload this here inside the public underscore HTML. So because I already have a website here, so I will not upload it into my public underscore HTML. Rather, I will upload it into the folder I created. Okay, so I'll click on move files. Now it has been moved to the folder I created, which is this F track. We double click that. All right, these are the website files. Okay, so the next one to do now is we'll download our SQL file. The SQL file is used for database, right? So right click and click on download. See, it has downloaded. It doesn't take much time. Okay, so now I want to go and create our database. All right, you just go back to the cPanel dashboard, then you search for database wizard, right? It must be the wizard. It can be my database wizard depending on the cPanel you are using. It must be the database wizard. Okay, so I'll just create a new database. So let me say RT. Okay, click on next. Then let me say DT. All right, so I always want it to generate a password for me, so I'll click on password generator. Okay, so I'll copy the password and I'll place it on my notes, Control V. Alright, so I'll click on I have copied and saved this password, right? I click it, then click on use password. Alright, it said password very strong. Alright, so I click on create user. Now I'm creating a user for my database. You can see that your database successfully be created. Now I'll just copy the database details, which is the user and the database name. I will copy it, then I also save it on my notepad. Alright, I also save it on my notepad because we are going to be using these details to link our database. So after copying that, I'll just click on all privilege because I want database to handle everything in regarding the website. Then scroll down and click on make changes. Okay, now that's good. We have done our database creation. So the next place we want to move to now is the PHP admin. You search there, you say PHP admin, you can see this is it. You say manage database with PHP admin. So want to upload our SQL file we downloaded before, want to upload it now into the PHP admin because it has to do with the admin, which is the backend. You understand? Every website has a front end and it also has a back end. So the PHP admin is the admin back end of this website. So we need to customize it, all right? So by so doing, we'll link the database we created in the PHP admin. We'll upload SQL file, right? So I'll click on, I think this is the database we created. Then you click on imports, right? You click on choose file. Then this is the database SQL file, right? You click it, then you click on open. Then you scroll down and click on imports. All right. Yes, it says import has been successfully finished. Okay, so we'll go back to our file manager. Okay, this is our file manager, right? Now what we want to do here is to connect our database we just created, okay, to the file. All right, we want to connect the database we just created in this file. All these are files, right? So you search for db.php. Can you see this? db.php. Okay, you just right click on edit and edit again. All right, you see, we want to change the database username, the database password, and the database name. These are all defaults. Okay, these are the defaults, username, password, and database name. We want to change it to our own details, right? So the first one here is the username. So I'll just come to my notepad and copy the database user. Then I'll right click that and copy. Then you paste it. Ensure you don't touch the columns on top. Okay, if you touch the column, you are going to mess up with the website. All right, so you see, I just leave it there. I didn't touch the column. Then you paste it. All right, you paste it. So the next one is the password. So you go back to the notepad, then copy your password. All right, you copy the password, then you carefully input it. Ensure you don't touch the columns. Okay, then you paste that too. Then the last one is the database name. So you just come back here, then you copy the database name, Control C, then you carefully input it, right? Then Control V, you paste. Then you click here and save changes. Now let's go and check at our website we just created. Right now, I'll copy the website URL. This is the website URL. I'll copy that. Right, I'll copy and I'll open on a new browser. Now, I created it in a subdomain, right? And that subdomain, I gave it ftrack. Okay, ftrack. Then I will click on enter. Beautiful. You can see that this is so beautiful. This is what we just did, right? This is what we just built. You can see, very awesome, unique and sleek, right? So if you want to log into the admin of this website, you just have to go back to your cPanel and you check for the installation guide and click on view. See, it's going to show you everything about the the site and the details. Okay, now it's telling us that to log into the admin, I'll just click on the site URL slash admin. So I'll just come here and click on site URL, then slash admin, right? Now put in the details. Okay, now I'm in the admin section, right? Now look at, if you want to create a tracking number, you just come over here and click on add tracker. Okay, you see add tracking number. Look at, this is the tracking number. Then you are going to fill in all these details. Once you finish filling all the details, the sender's name, receiver's name, sender's contact, you fill in all the details, then you click on submit. Automatically it's going to create its own tracking box, right? So you'll be able to use this tracking number to track the package, all right, on the website. So this is how to build a consignment or courier slash shipping website. Okay, so this is the general settings. You can also come here, you can set the name of the website. You can just say this, I can say let me say ftrack logistics. Okay, I just say ftrack logistics. Then you put the site title. What do you want to call the site? Best, let me say best, no, let me say best delivery agency. Okay, then you put the site URL here, copy the site URL, control C, then you paste it here. Okay, then you click on submit. All right, then further editing, you just come to shipping settings. Okay, you can see, if you want to print your invoice, allow print invoice, you can activate it, you can also deactivate it. Okay, so back to account settings, this is where you can change the admin name or the admin password, whatever. All right, so click on the general settings. Okay, so this is how to build a full functional logistics website. Okay, this is how to build a full functional logistics website. Now if you want to get access to this script, kindly message me on WhatsApp. The script is very affordable, and mind you, you can build this website without having a single knowledge on coding. Okay, that is beautiful. You can build this website, your own courier and logistic website, without having any prior knowledge on coding. That's how beautiful it is. So please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel.